Yoga of Renunciation of Action in Knowledge, Chapter 4, Shloka 8 and 9. Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. For the protection of the good, for the destruction of the wicked, and for the establishment of righteousness, I am born in every age.
Chapter 4, Shloka 8. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge.
He who thus knows in true light my divine birth and action, having abandoned the body, he is not born again. He comes to me, O Arjuna.
Chapter 4, Shloka 9. Janma karma cha me divyam evam yo veti tattvataha tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti mameti sorjuna.
Chapter 4, Shloka 8 and 9. Lord is elaborating on the purpose of his manifestation mentioned in the previous shloka. Since there cannot be a projection without a desire which may be divine or good or bad, Lord declares the initial desire that caused the manifestation, without which there cannot be any action. Here, the desire is to protect the good and also to destroy the wicked. Here, it must be clearly understood that as per Vedantic concept, destruction is not annihilation of the individual but removal of the wrong tendencies in the individual. Also earlier in chapter 1, Arjuna considered Krishna to be a friend only. After listening to Krishna in chapter 2, Arjuna still did not take him to be God Almighty, but only developed a profound respect for him. Shloka 9. Here Lord Krishna tells Arjuna who he really is. Earlier he mentioned about his omniscience and knowing and remembering all the births of both himself and Arjuna. Here the path to end all limitations to reach Godhood is given. It is not sufficient to only know and understand about the self, but it is necessary to also experience the self subjectively. When that takes place, it can be said the Supreme Atman has taken avatar in us. This happens to those who constantly contemplate on Him as formless and also understand his divine birth and activities as a form. The supreme state of perfection is indicated both as a state of deathlessness or a state of birthlessness during different periods and maturities. However, both mean the same, as that which is born can only die. More in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.